Psychoneuroimmunology is the field of study that focuses on the complex interrelationships between physiological, nervous, immune, and behavioral processes. Although research in this field began in the early years of modern medicine, interest in it continues to be a consistent theme in therapy. Walter Cannon, a physician and professor of physiology at Harvard University, studied the relationship between body and mind and coined the term homeostasis from the Greek words homeos, meaning similar, and stasis, representing position. During his work in animal behavior, Cannon discovered that anxiety, or rage in the animal resulted in a complete cessation of digestion. These studies into the effects of emotions and perceptions on the autonomic nervous system, particularly the sympathetic and parasympathetic reactions that prompted the concept of the fight or flight response, led to the understanding of the freeze, the fight or flight response. His findings were published from time to time in professional journals, then summed up in book format in The Mechanical Factors of Digestion, published in 1911. Dr. Cannon's seminal work, Bodily Changes in Pain, Hunger, Fear, and Rage, was published in 1915. Picking up on Cannon's work was Hans Selye. Selye conducted a study in which animals were subjected to various pressure and kept under different conditions. He discovered that the body consistently reacted well to his study conditions. Several years of empirical experimentation by Dr. Selye that formed the general adaptation syndrome consisted of an expansion of the adrenal medulla, atrophy of the thymus, spleen, and other parts of the lymphatic tissue, and ulcerations of the esophagus. For a long while, body and mind were distinct in medicine. But numerous long-term studies showed that emotions could affect your immunology. Examples: negative states bereavement, decreased lymphocyte proliferation, declaring negative states, decreased lymphocyte reactivity, reduced T cells capability, academic stress, decreased NK cells, decreased NK cell activity, lowered T cell quantity and function, lowered blood levels of certain viruses, including Epstein-Barr virus, depression, decreased NK cells, reduced number and function of lymphocytes, suppressed NK cell activity, decreased NK, natural killer cell, activity. Chronic stress decreases T cells and B cells, increased blood levels of the Epstein-Barr virus. Divorce, separation, poor marital quality, decreased lymphocyte function, increased blood levels of Epstein-Barr virus, decreased T cell effectiveness. Desired for power and control, decreased NK acting activity, decreased lymphocytes. Personal disclosure of or sharing traumatic experiences. Higher lymphocyte count, higher immunoglobulin A, increased lymphocyte activity, increased NK cell number, decreased stress levels, decreased herpes viral load. Physical exertion and aerobic exercise, increased number of white blood cells, increase in endorphins, increase in certain immune chemicals. Increased NK cell count and activity, increased T cell number, decreased lymphocyte function. Group intervention and support. Increased NK cell number and activity, increased number of lymphocytes, reduction in T helper cells. Matthew, a survivor of cancer and stroke, requests that you help spread awareness of severe diseases by publishing this video. Please take a moment to subscribe to and like this video.